Welcome to the first tutorial of SCNC1111. If you have any questions about the course, feel free to email us. In this video, I will talk about the course introduction. The video about idealized scientific method will be released on February the 4th. There are three main parts of this course. The first part is on scientific method and reasoning. The second and the third part helps you to do mathematical modeling and to learn quantitative methods. If you expect that this course is like a mathematics course, then you have a wrong expectation. This course is more about logical thinking, as you can tell from the course titled. This course also prepares you for the future studies. We offer some useful tools in this course: videos, calculus app, Facebook or forum. So just in case SIS is down, we'll make an announcement on Facebook or we will try other channels. Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft Equations. Please be reminded that you need to use Microsoft Equations for your project. Your tutors will demonstrate on how to use Microsoft Equations when the class resumes. There are also some housekeeping rules that I hope you can go through them. I hope you can respect each other, including your tutors, as well as your fellow classmates.